If you're considering buying DashThis for your social media management and analytics needs, here are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. DashThis has a lot to offer, but it's not always the best fit for every business. Stick around as we compare it to other tools in the market. First, DashThis is designed for agencies and businesses managing multiple clients, providing an easy way to consolidate social media analytics into one dashboard. It has a simple interface that eliminates the need to jump between different platforms for insights. However, compared to competitors like Sprout Social or Hootsuite, DashThis may feel a bit more limited in terms of real-time social media monitoring. Next, DashThis integrates with a wide range of platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more, allowing users to pull data from almost every major channel. That said, other tools like Agency Analytics offer even more integrations, which could be a deal breaker for users needing a broader range of data sources. The third thing to know is DashThis is known for its highly customizable reporting features. You can create reports with just a few clicks and everything looks professional and clean. However, it's not as flexible as some competitors when it comes to advanced data manipulation or design customization, like what you'd get with Datebox or Google Data Studio. Moving on, DashThis does allow for collaboration between team members, making it a solid choice for agencies or larger teams. However, platforms like Hootsuite give you more options for collaboration, such as team chat integrations, which might be more beneficial for businesses with large, distributed teams. The fifth thing to consider is that DashThis doesn't have built-in social media scheduling, unlike other tools such as Buffer or Later, which offer post-scheduling as part of their suite. This means if you need a tool that can handle scheduling and reporting in one, DashThis might not be the right fit for you. Next, if you're looking for user-friendly software, DashThis excels in this area. The platform is intuitive, and even beginners can easily set it up without much effort. While competitors like Sprout Social also offer ease of use, DashThis provides a slightly more streamlined experience for new users. The seventh thing is DashThis pricing structure. It can get a little expensive for smaller agencies or businesses. While it starts at $39 per month, the higher tier plans for more clients and reports quickly climb up. This pricing can be tough for startups compared to more affordable options like SocialBee or Zoho Social. The eighth thing is that DashThis offers a 14-day free trial, which is helpful for evaluating whether it's the right fit for your business. But be aware, you'll need to invest some time in setting up and learning the tool during that short trial period. The ninth point is about customer support. DashThis has good support, but it's not as comprehensive as platforms like Sprout Social, which offer 24/7 live chat support. DashThis offers email support, which might not be ideal for time-sensitive inquiries. Next, while DashThis does provide some automation features like client report generation, it's not as powerful in terms of overall social media automation compared to others, such as SocialBee or AgriPulse, which allow you to schedule posts, automate reporting, and even monitor your competitors automatically. The 11th thing to know is DashThis's mobile app. While it offers a mobile app, it's not as fully developed as competitors like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, which offer more robust features on their apps, such as managing posts and replying to messages directly from the mobile interface. Finally, DashThis doesn't have a free tier unlike some competitors. This can be a disadvantage for users who want to test a service before committing long-term. Platforms like Buffer and Later offer limited free versions that might be enough for smaller businesses. So overall, DashThis is a good option for agencies and teams that need a straightforward social media reporting tool. However, if you want more flexibility, better pricing, or advanced automation features, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.